Alrighty, guys. So here's a thing that has been bothering me forever. Batteries are connected and they're equalized and everything's good. My inverter here is the negative is connected and I'm ready to connect the positive. But as you well know, when you connect that up, any inverter, you're going to get a little spark. And that is basically the capacitors inside the inverter charging up. And this is not really that good for the inverter over time. You can do it a few times, but limited. It's really not good for anything. So what I've done, and I'll put a link in the description, is I've got this 10 watt 22 ohm ceramic fuse from Communica. They're very cheap, 7 rand something each. And I've built it into this harness. So before I connect that, what I'm going to do, and I know the capacitors are discharged, because when I was putting this in, I hit the on switch, it wasn't connected, lights came on, and obviously discharged the capacitor. So what I do, I'm going to try to do this with one hand, is I'm just going to whack that through there. I could probably put a ferrule on, and then I'm going to touch it to the positive there. And I'm going to hold it there for 3 to 5 seconds, and that is going to, in a controlled fashion, allow enough current to go through and charge up the capacitors. And then you can immediately connect this to your bus bar, and you have a very controlled fashion of connecting any inverter. This resistor is rated for 12 volts or however it works. And what I also do before even though your batteries are close as damn it, a couple of volts out, you're still going to get a current flowing from one to the other as they balance out when you connect them up in parallel. And so before you put the fuses on, just pop that over the positives and let them equalize out, and then take it off and connect them up. Safest, quickest, and easiest way to do it. Very cost effective. Make yourself a little harness, and I'll put a link in the description. So if this video has helped you, please like and subscribe, and help us keep the channel going.